Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have the HOPOPRO 18-stage shower filter that removes hard water, softens it, removes chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, and sediments, and all your impurities. Alright, so we did purchase this shower filter. This is offered in 3 different colors. You do have a silver, a black, as well as a gold. And it says why choose this brand. It tells you a little information on the side. So this is an 18 stage. An 18 stage is actually upgraded from a 16 stage. It has a high output shower filter, the newest filter head with 18 stages filter layers. And right here on the side it does tell you how many layers and what layers it has inside of this. So this is effectively used, shields your family health. The multifunctional shower provides a well protection from your family health. It takes out all the settlement. It's good for those people who have eczema, dry skin, and dandruff. The high output universal shower filter dramatically reduces harmful unpleasant odors and impurities, relieves fatigue, quickly slows down aging, and makes your skin smoother. So in this box you do get the tape. You get a little discount card, the user manual. So right here in the user manual, it just tells you how to set it up. So shower filter installation. So when you first run this shower, you'll want to go ahead and let it run for a little bit because it will have some black stuff coming out of it. That is just basically from the charcoal. The cartridge replacement instructions, so it tells you how to replace the cartridges. This one only needs 1 cartridge. I think it's every 10,000 gallons of water. So give or take six months of replacement. So here is the water filter itself. I did purchase the silver one as my appliances are all silver. These need no tools or a plumber needed. You can easily finish installation by removing it by your hands. Checking the user manual, it does say that this does work up until 16,000 gallons of water, which will provide you clean water for 6 to 8 months depending on your water quality. So we're just going to open it up. We're just going to twist it to the side. And then it's easy open just like that. No tools are needed. You can see that it does come with 1 filter included. And this is what the top part looks like. Here's what the bottom part looks like. So if you see those grooves, that's where the filter sits down, and then the top part. So you got the bottom here, and then the top part, that's where the water flows in. The bottom, where the little dots are, those are where your water, this part right here, will flow into the bottom of your shower head, giving you clean and fresh water. It is lightweight. This is 18 stage, meaning that it will get all the chlorine, all your sediments, coppers. And they do have replacements for these. So this is an 18 times all around stainless steel mesh, high density stainless steel mesh with a PP cotton VC micro porous ball. It has a far infrared ceramic ball. It has some stone, mineralized ball, magnetic energy ball, ceramic ball, alkaline ball, calcium sulfate, KDF 55, coconut activated carbon, PP cotton, high density stainless steel mesh water. So this helps with your hair, withered or messy hair, inflamed itchy scalp, accelerating aging, eczema. So this helps remove all that from your water. It helps with rust, sediments, suspended soils, worm eggs. So when you want to just put it back in here, you just put the filter back in, you just twist it to the side. And then after this, I'm going to go ahead and install it onto my shower so I can show you what it looks like. I do have really hard water where I live, so you'll see some calcium buildup on my shower head. So we're just going to go and install this now. So right now I have it installed in my shower. You can see the top of my shower head actually has a lot of calcium line buildup. And then you just use a plumber's tape on there to stop the leakage. And then I'm going to turn it on to show you that the flow is really nice. It doesn't restrict any flow. I have to tighten this up because you can see at the top it was leaking a little bit. Other than that, it flows just like a normal shower. The water's a lot less sticky and calciumified. So I would definitely recommend this one if you're looking for a shower head that is filtering your water. Check this one out.